Traders, this is the update of the NASDAQ-100. QQQs is part of it. We had a gap down. Then we had a small rally on Friday. We below the 10-day and the 20-day, which will serve as a resistance, which is going to be right about here. That's going to be the first resistance that we have to clear. Once we clear it, if we do clear it and we get back above the gap down support up here at these highs, and you can see the gap down, until we close above it, we have to close above 2050 to say that that bull is going to be back in control. That is going to be a big deal, and we have the elections going on. I'm letting people know that we have support down at the 150-day moving average on this daily chart. Let it not be forgotten. Let's remember this. Okay, because the markets have had extreme great rallies. However, we did not make new highs from that point, and we did not. And then we had a small little down day with the big gap to go with it, and we hit that support line is right here. This is that support line when you go back over here, and you can see where we had rallied up before, and now it's in jeopardy of a good correction with a daily sell signal. The CCI, the momentum has dropped considerably. That is part of the change. Let it be known that there's big risk to the downside. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. We have that pay now, pay later program. Fits right in here. With any big correction, you want to be the buyer. Get your shopping list together.